Hello, hello, hello. This is Jerry Kushel. Once again, attempting to give you a good talk on my favorite topic, nothing. I'm going to tell this talk nothing much about the Vice Special. I'm going to talk about the power of nothing. Nothing is great power. Just think a little bit. Even Einstein, you don't have to be Einstein to follow this. Before there was anything, what was there? Think a minute. Before there was anything, even God, what was there? The answer is nothing. Obviously, if there is nothing, that means that nothing has to be very powerful because everything came from nothing. Many, many billions of years ago, scientists all agree that there was a big bang. With a big bang, suddenly there was something, some things, many things, and these things, millions of them, evolved, and eventually some of these things even evolved into human beings. So essentially, you and I evolved from nothing. In fact, we still are nothing in the sense that 99.9% of our body is nothing, because our body is composed of molecules. And the molecules are composed of what? Atoms. And the atoms are composed of what? Electrons, neutrons, and the atom. So in the atom, there's electrons and protons moving around, and guess what? They're moving around in space. 99.9% of every atom is nothing. And everything in this universe is composed of atoms. The sky is free, but it still has air, and the air has atoms. And the atoms are 99.9% nothing. The problem is there's still 1/10 something. But we came from not 1/10 nothing, but pure nothing. The only really eternal quality is not ordinary nothing, but pure, P-U-R-E, nothing. And the pure nothing had little quirks in it, and little quarks, and eventually, using quantum physics, we had some atomical particles moving around in nothingness, and then eventually we had many things, but all things are composed of 99.9% nothing, which leaves only pure nothing where we came from. Pure nothing. It's wonderful. Do you know that you are, in part, pure nothing? Your soul is pure nothing. Your body, your being is something, but pure nothing is your soul, my soul, everybody's soul. And guess what? We only have one big soul for the whole universe. So my soul and your soul and your kid's soul and Gina Lollobrigid's soul, and all famous people, Michelle Obama and Nicole Kidman, we're all going eventually to end up as the same soul. nothing. That's something to look forward to, right? You're going to be associated with everybody, your soul brothers. You and I don't know if you know me very well, but guess what? We're soulmates, and we're going to end up in eternity together, you and I, and every human being, including those that you don't like right now. They're really very nice at the nothingness level, and you will associate with everybody because we all have the same soul. There are 8.3 billion human beings alive today, but 8.3 billion human beings have all the same soul. So look forward to being with your fellow men and your fellow women. Boy, I can't wait to be a soul with Nicole Kidman. Thank you and goodbye.